Hi, this video is brought to you by Identipro. We're based in the UK. This video is all about showing you how to import data from a spreadsheet into Markware software for printing labels. We'll take a quick look at the spreadsheet first. So this is how the spreadsheet needs to be laid out. So you need to have some header information in row 1, indicating what's in each column. And then the data that you'd like to print needs to start from row 2. And our spreadsheet here has 26 rows, 25 of data plus the headers. So this is how your spreadsheet needs to be laid out. Finished with that now. Back in Markware, to pull the data in, we create either a text box or a barcode. It'll work with barcodes as well. We'll create a text box. So this is kind of going to be a typical racking label in a warehouse. We don't enter anything into the box, so we click off. That creates an empty text box. We go into Object, Properties, Data Source. We're going to create another tab here, so whichever setting we apply here, we'll query database at print time. That's the option that you select for importing data from either a database or Excel. That creates this tab. We click that tab, and this is where we set up the link. So we want to connect to, this shows the formats of file you can pull in. Excel is the option we're going to select. There's our file. Once we've opened up the link, we then just need to tell it which column of data we want to pull in this field we're creating. We'll pull in the location. This shows you the first piece of data, so you know you're getting the right information from the spreadsheet. You can still use all the normal formatting options. So that's our first object. I then want to create a box for our check digit. That creates a border. I'm going to fill that with solid fill, and our check digit is going to go over on the top of that. The easiest way to get the second piece of data is to copy and paste the first piece of data and then change. So you do Object, Properties. The database tab is already created with the link to the right sheet, and then we can change to the check digit. Apply and close, and there's our check digit. We can then pull that in, put it where we want it, change the color to background, which is white, and that's our label. That's how you import data from Excel into Markware software. And if we then go to File, Print Preview, that's our first page, first label, second label, third label, fourth label. It reports 25 labels here. So hopefully you found that useful. If you need any further advice or you need to order any consumables for your Brady printer, please get in touch. Our contact details are coming up just now. So thanks for watching.